This 2026 Jayco J Flight SLX 333 BTS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Clyde, Ohio, 43410 and is offered for sale by Town & Country RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 37 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 12 and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bath, front bedroom, kitchen island, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Jayco J Flight SLX 333 BTS is 9,036 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Town & Country RV.